Hello, investors and traders. In today's market report, what we'll be looking at, we'll be looking at equities, we'll be looking at commodities, and of course, cryptos as well. And a bit of a US political drama that we've experienced yesterday. Remember, last night I did this special update on our YouTube channel when we talked about this massive surge that really happened in a Bitcoin price as the drama was really unfolding on Capitol Hill in Washington. So my name is Naeem Azam. I come with 15 years of experience, trading experience during this period. I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and in equity trading for Bank of America. Currently, I work as a chief market analyst for Evertrade. So in today's market, what we're really looking at is just why the Dow Jones Industrial has put another record high yesterday, and how it isn't really being influenced by the massive drama that we are, and the violence, shall we say, that we are seeing, unprecedented violence that we are seeing at Capitol Hill in Washington. Because there was no doubt that there was excessive violence in Washington streets, on Washington streets yesterday, because of Trump's supporter invading Capitol Hill and trying to stop the electoral vote procedure, which was really taking place. But traders have very much stayed away from politics. They are focused on the long-term view. And that long-term view is that for the first time in 10 years, the Senate, the House, and the White House will be controlled by Democrats. And that means more stimulus policies. And then this is very much what traders and investors are focusing on, because they know that the path of least resistance with a massive fiscal support, meaning from government printing more money for equity markets such as the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 index, and several other stock indices like Russell 2000 and NASDAQ, they are very much likely to continue to move higher. So as long as we continue to see, as long as we see more support from fiscal side, meaning from the US government, stock market will continue to move higher. And this is what we saw last year as well, when the Dow Jones and S&P logged some serious gains. But as of yesterday, of course, the Dow Jones Industrial average has posted massive gains, and it has made a new record high. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see that the price has moved above that big candle which we talked about for the last few days, which was one few days ago. Now we are in a new territory, and the market is really moving to the upside. But one important thing that I want you guys to focus on and to keep an eye on is that the RSI on the daily time frame is very much approaching towards the oversold area. This is something that has been going on for a fairly long time, and the fact that the RSI hasn't touched the oversold area since October, it pushes me to believe this, that look, a correction is on the card, despite the fact that President Joe Biden's presidency is confirmed by Congress today. We are still not seeing that massive rally. We're not seeing the Dow Jones Industrial average stoking to the moon. We only seeing the industrial average, the Dow, up by 100 points, which isn't really that much of a move. Now, when it comes to cryptos, of course, all crypto market cap has surpassed the 1 trillion mark, and out of that, the majority of it belongs to Bitcoin, which surpassed the 37,000 price level yesterday. And now we are all talking about where the Bitcoin price is really going to continue from here, how far it can really go. In my humble opinion, I think that the next price level in terms of a Bitcoin is very much the 40,000 price level, and it is very likely for prices to continue and to move towards that direction. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.